Good morning dear students, welcome to the maths online class. Students, in previous class we discussed about the terms and the concept of the addition, and today's topic is about what? Exercise about that addition part. See, in the addition the total 3 terms are exist. That one is the first addend and second addend. When the answer from the adding of that addends is equal to the what? Sum of the addition operation, and here the plus sign is the what? Addition symbol. So see the exercise part. Open your textbook page number 35. There is a count the dots in each block, write the addition sentence. Here in each box separate number of the dots are given. We have to count the dots and write the number and add them, find the sum of the equation or the sum of the addition. Then we have to write the addition sentence for that addition number. Okay. So see the first one. In 8th one, a first box contains how many dots? 2 dots. So write here the number 2. Then here plus sign, as it is plus sign for the addition. And the second box contains, very good, 3. And how many are all together? Okay. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then how to write the addition sentence? 2 dots and 3 more dots is 5 dots in all. Okay. So here first 2 dots. Then we add 3 more dots to the 2 dots. We get what? 5 dots in all. In all means what? The word representation of the addition. Then pth one. See here 1 dot is there, and here very good 3. And 1 plus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Count all together. We get here 4. So 1 dot and 3 more dots is 4 dots in all. Okay. Then the third one. See one. In first box contains how many dots? Very good, 3 dots. Then second box contains 4. Then what's the sum of the 3 plus 4? We have to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 dots in all. Then write the addition sentence. How to write the addition sentence? First write the first addend, that is 3, and the dots, and 4 more dots is 7 dots in all. Okay. Then the dth one. Here the first one contains 1 dot, and here 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to, very good, 3. So write the addition sentence. 1 dot and 2 more dots is 3 dots in all. The next one, see, each one, the first box contains how many dots? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots, so write here 4. And second box contains 2 dots, and 2 plus 4 is equal to what? Very good, 6. So here we have to write the 4 dots and 2 more dots is how many? Very good, 6 dots in all. The next one, F1. Here also we count the first one box. It contains how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Then the addition symbol as it is, and second one box contains 1, 2, 3. Count all in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. Then how to write the addition sentence? First take the first addend, 5 dots and 3 more dots is 8 dots in all. Okay. The next one. Here G one is there. The first box contains how many dots? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then second one contains only 1. Okay. So first we have to write the first addend, representation of the first addend, that is 6 dots and one more dot only is there. Okay, we add one more dot to the what? 6 dots. So here one more dot is how many? 6 plus 1 is equal to, very good, 7. 7 dots in all. The next one, last one, the first one box, representation of the first addend, and here the first addend consists of how many dots? Count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. And the second box consists of, very good, 1, 2, 2 only. And 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So how to write the addition sentence? Very good, 7 dots and 2 more dots is how many altogether? 9 dots in all. Alright, elsewhere write the all together in all is equal to 9. These are the indication of the what? To represent the addition sentence. So here this is the exercise part of the what? Addition. In next class we discuss about the what? More problems on the additions and the methods of the addition. Thank you.